Okay, wait. Let me just say, finding a good wig under $150 that doesn't look like fake, is low-key a struggle, right? Like, we want volume, movement, lace that actually melts. But we also want to pay rent, hello? Well, good news, girl. I found 5 actual baddie swigs that are affordable and look like you dropped a whole paycheck. But nope, each one's under $150, yep. Under $150. Oh, and hey, if you're new here, I'm Jennifer Angular, and welcome to my little space where we talk wigs, beauty, and all things giving, main character energy. If you love saving coins and slaying, you're in the right place. All right? Let's get into these 5 must-haves before they sell out or go up in price, because you know how these things go. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. Brown wigs with bangs, short wavy wig. So this is the brown highlight short wavy synthetic wig from Nnzes. And, first of all, let's just appreciate how natural this color is. It's got like these soft caramelly highlights that catch the light just right. No helmet hair, no shiny mess. And the bangs? Girl, they are not giving Dora, I promise. They frame the face perfectly without swallowing your whole forehead. You know what I mean. Now, I know some of y'all are thinking synthetic, though, and I feel you. I was low-key side-eyeing it at first, too. Laughs. But I swear, this one feels soft. It doesn't tangle like crazy, and it holds its shape. I literally threw it in a bag, wore it the next day, and it still looked bomb. So it's heat-resistant, too. Like, I curled the ends just a lil with a low-temp wand and it handled it fine. And the fit? Adjustable straps. Breathable cap. I wore it for hours and didn't feel like ripping it off halfway through brunch. And you know that's rare. Here's the wild part. It's literally under $30 right now. 26.9. $9 last I checked. Because when it sells out or the price goes up and you're stuck paying $70 for the same look, don't say I didn't warn you. Number 4. HAIRCUBE Long Dark Brown Wig. So, let me show y'all. This is the HAIRCUBE Layered Synthetic Wig, in this deep, dark brown shade that like it just flatters every skin tone. It's long, it's flowy, got these soft curtain bangs happening. It's very much giving soft glam, very much giving effortless. And the parting? It's one of those scalpy-looking ones. Not that weird, shiny line. It's not lace, but honestly, for under $40, I'm impressed. The texture feels, okay. It's synthetic, right? But not plasticky at all. It's soft, has a little thickness but not too heavy. I ran a wide-tooth comb through it and it didn't tangle up on me. Which, thank you, HAIRCUBE, because that is rare. I threw on a little beret the other day and girl, I looked like I was about to sip espresso on a Paris balcony. Laughs. Like this wig is a whole mood. You can style it half up, leave it down, or do a cute low pony with the bangs framing your face. And the confidence? It jumped out. Like, I was feeling myself. Number 3. Nnzes Long Brown Highlight Wavy Wig. So this right here is the Nnzes Long Brown Highlight Wavy Synthetic Wig, and just look at her. It's giving warm brown caramel highlights, soft waves. And these waves? Not crunchy, not stiff. It moves, it has that bounce. And like, I didn't even have to do anything crazy. I literally just put it on, fluffed it up a little, and boom. Done. Okay, real talk, it's synthetic, but not that plasticky Barbie doll mess. This actually feels soft. Like I could fool somebody. They'd be like, girl, who did your color? And I'm just like, Amazon, babe? It also has that middle part going on, and it's actually cute, not that weird super flat line. Like you don't need to pluck it or anything. It's beginner friendly. It's got adjustable straps inside, so it fits snug, not too tight though. I have a medium-sized head and it sat just right. Plus, it's lightweight. I wore it for like, 4 hours? And I didn't feel like snatching it off halfway through. That's a win in my book. I dropped the Amazon link below for you just in case it sells out. 'Cause once TikTok finds this one, it's over. Number 2. Ready to go Glueless Wigs Human Hair. So, here's the thing. Not all wigs are made equal. And trust me, I've had my fair share of, what in the synthetic Barbie doll hair is this? Moments. It's the Arabella Glueless human hair wig I grabbed off Amazon, and y'all, she's that girl. Okay, first of all, no glue. Like, zero. You literally just throw it on, adjust the straps, and boom, you're out the door. It's got a pre-plucked hairline. The knots are bleached so it actually looks like your scalp, not like you've got a wig sitting on top of your head. And the hair? Babby. It's 100% real human hair. Soft, silky, no weird smell, doesn't tangle. Like how is this under $150? I used to be so stressed about wigs. Like, worried they'd slide off or just look, fake. And listen, we all have those insecure days. But when I put this one on, I feel put together. Like I can walk into a room and not even worry about it. It's comfortable, breathable, and honestly, it's just one less thing to stress about. Number 1, Density Highlight Lace Front Wig Human Hair. I used to have this love-hate thing with wigs. Like I wanted the look, the volume, the drama, the highlights, but without the itchy scalp, glue mess, and hours in front of a mirror? And girl, let me tell you, when I found this wig on Amazon, I was like, wait, hold on, is this for real? It's the Superlook Glueless Highlight Lace Front Wig and like. First of all, look at these colors. The highlights are giving salon-level dimension, not those streaky 2005 chunky vibes, okay? It's soft, it's blended, and it literally looks like I just walked out of a $300 appointment. And the hair? 100% human. No crunchy ends, no weird shine. Like, yes please. It came pre-plucked, bleached knots, adjustable straps, and it's glueless. No glue, no drama. I was literally ready in like 5 minutes. You know how freeing that is? As someone who gets overwhelmed with hair stuff, this wig, she's a whole therapy session. Okay, let me just break this down real quick, because if you're new to lace front wigs or human hair wigs, here's what you really want to look for. Lace front. So you get that natural hair Lanino helmet head. Thank you. Pre-plucked and bleached knots. So it actually blends with your skin tone. Highlight density. This one has that perfect 150%. Not too flat, not too poofy. Glueless install. Because we don't have time for all that glue drama anymore. This one checks all of those boxes. So yeah, those are my current top 5 wigs under $150 that I've actually tried, worn, sweated in, and still love. No cap. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite if you want a try-on video, 'cause girl, I'll do it. Oh, and all the links are down below. Some of them might have coupons too. So check those before you check out. If you liked this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe. All that good stuff helps your girl out and keeps the wig content coming. All right, stay cute, stay slaying, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!